Okay, I'll find this wonderful, but with the environment I work into, which is the marsh, a lot of slipping, a lot of jumping over the trenches, and I want to protect this. So usually I just put a plastic bag over like this, sandwich bag, rubber band, and it's done, you know. And you get all dirty, just replace the bag so you never scratch the screen. And that was not enough, so I took milk container, chocolate milk in this case. I modified it a little bit. I took a portion of, and now there's an opening for the cord cable. Just put that in too. On up. There you go. Just slide this over and around the handle. Click. See, there's a little ridge on top here. It's practical because it's really clicking on top of the screen, so it stays there good. If I want to put my plastic bag, just unclick. There you go. And this goes on just here, so. There you go. So it's holding by itself. It's easy to remove. Doesn't stop any access. Side button, good side protection, good top protection too in case a shovel come at it, and it's working well. Try to show the side away. It's not pretty, but when your screen is scratched, it's too late. So, look. Oops, there you go. Perfect. Access to the button, no problem.